In this video, we want to find the root of the equation e to the negative x squared plus sine of x equals 0 using bisection algorithm. We're going to perform two iterations using starting interval a equals -1, b equals 0, and we're going to estimate the error. So first, we're given the interval -1 to 0, and we're first going to plug in x equals -1 into f of x to get -0.4736. And we're going to plug in x equals 0 to get f of 0 equals 1. Since f of -1 is less than 0 and f of 0 is greater than 0, there must be a root between -1 and 0, since f of x is continuous. So let's calculate the midpoint. So the midpoint will be the midpoint of -1 and 0, which is -1/2. We're going to plug it into f of x, and we're going to get 0.2994. So the new interval is going to be between -1 and -0.5, because since f of -1 is negative and f of -0.5 is positive, you want to go between a negative and a positive interval. And now we're going to do the second iteration. So our new intervals from -1 to -0.5, we're going to find the midpoint of that, which is -0.75. We're going to evaluate f at x equals -0.75, which is -0.1118. So to determine the new interval, we see that f of -0.75 is negative and f of -0.5 is positive. So the root lies between a negative and a positive, which is -0.75 and -0.5. So the approximation for x that makes f of x equal to 0 is -0.75. Now, for the error estimation in the bisection method, the maximum absolute error after n iterations is given by the length of the interval divided by 2 to the n, where n is the number of iterations. For us, we started off with a is -1, b is 0, and then we did 2 iterations, so n is equal to 2. So we have 0 minus -1 over 2 squared, which is 1/4. So that means the actual root is guaranteed to be within C2 plus or minus 0.25. So C2, that was our -0.75. So if we add 0.25, that gives us -0.5. If we subtract -0.75 with 0.25, we get -1. And so that's going to be our final answer.